What size wheel spacers are best for Ford Ranger? The Ford Ranger wheel spacers are accessories for performance upgrades. Whether you are planning to use them for daily driving or off-roading needs, it is safe to use high-quality track wheel spacers. By enlarging the track width, this Ford wheel spacer enables the tires to better grip the road surface. You'll feel more stable while cornering. This also allows you to install bigger tires and larger brakes with no rubbing issue. Besides, this wheel spacer gives you pickup trucks an aggressive look. Pro-sized Ford Ranger wheel spacers are the upgrade parts that most people will use to enhance the ride stance, performance, and off-road capabilities. But choosing the right size can be tricky. For 1-inch wheel spacers are relatively safe for most Ford Rangers, especially since they are half-century spacers. At their thickness, you start to notice suitable changes in the vehicle's appearance and handling. For Ford owners who occasionally drive off-road but also use their vehicle on city streets, 1-inch wheel spacers are a balanced choice. The 1.5-inch wheel spacers are the most popular option for achieving a perfect flush look and improve 4x4 performance. With 1.5-inch wheel spacers, the vehicle stance becomes noticeably wider, which adds stability on uneven surface. This size provides more stable while cornering and better control on rough trails. It also allows for larger tires without rubbing. 2-inch to 4-inch wheel spacers are usually used for pickup trucks and specialized wide-body applications. Spacers of this size give a Ford truck a powerful look and can enhance grip and control when navigating challenging terrains. It's vital to opt for high-quality half-century spacers and ensure that the vehicle is properly aligned after installation.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this bonus with spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.